Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to connect Tradovate to Tradingview first. Go to tradingview.com and sign into your account with your email or Google login. Next, head to the product section at the top and click on Supercharts to launch the main charting interface. Then, at the bottom of the chart, click the trading panel to reveal the list of available brokers. After that, click on All Brokers to see the full list of integrations. Scroll down until you find Trade Of, then click it to begin linking your account. Finally, enter your Tradovate login credentials, then click Connect to complete the integration. Bonus tip, make sure your Trade Of account has live trading permissions enabled. Otherwise, you might not be able to place trade. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.